Oh, okay.
Let's try that first. All right, so this is the final product. We decided to repot the tree today. First off, the work that we did wasn't too severe, and secondly, the roots have become quite compacted over the last several years since its last repotting, so it was really necessary to repot the tree. Now, because the angle change was somewhat severe, the dead wood stuck out of the ground quite far, so we planted the tree much deeper in the pot this time around to give the tree a bit of a wider base and keep the dead wood as close to the ground as possible. This happened likely because of snowpack in the mountains where it was collected, or by watering subsequently after it became a bonsai. So this area will naturally rot even further over time, but the fact that we have it slightly out of the ground should help delay that slightly. So I think the tree has a really great future. Now it just needs to fill in. If we can get about 10–15% more volume to the foliage mass, a little bit more cleanup, and the next year or so it should be ready for an exhibition. So thank you very much for checking the video out, and hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.